Okay. We're celebrating National Empanada Day, and here to show us how to make delicious empanadas is Food Network star and author of One with the Kitchen, Chef Chris Valdes. Woo! Chef Chris, nice to have you.
So excited to be here. Yes, first time.
Welcome to our kitchen. Coming up from Miami, got a business down there.
Yes, sir.
And empanadas is your signature, so where should we start?
You know, empanadas are a staple all over the world, especially for Latinos. We have Colombian empanadas, empanadas de Venezuela, empanadas de Peru, but today we're making Cuban picadillo empanadas. Can you say picadillo?
Picadillo.
There you go.
Picadillo
wow,
empanadas.
you're an expert. So we're going to start off with some ground beef.
Okay.
And I like using a 92.8, not so fatty.
Okay,
and we're going to add some onions and peppers and garlic. We can't miss the garlic.
I can never too much garlic. Kelly feels different.
Garlic. You know, that adds that sexy Latino flavor that makes you want to crave.
That's what I've been looking for all my life.
There you go. So then we're gonna add some comino, cumin. Cumin.
Yeah.
Some salt.
A little sal.
I like that Spanish you got going on. I think you have a Latin girlfriend, don't you? Okay, so we added some our tomato sauce. Some vino blanco.
Okay. What's that? White vinegar? White wine.
Oh,
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. My pan was simmering.
And then over here we have to make an executive decision.
Okay.
Raisins or no raisins, olives.
So either we're gonna go savory or sweet. You can't do both.
I do both.
I was gonna say, why not do both, right?
Well, it balances in the palate, you know, like a
little salt
nice
and just
wine.
Just a little sweetness is nice.
You know, yeah, and it really balances. So we're gonna let this cook for about 15 minutes, low and slow, so that all those flavors, you know, combine in there and start dancing some salsa.
Okay.
So once we're done with that,
Chef.
we have our finished product here, and we're gonna let it chill and cool because we don't want to get burned. I hear you get burned often, so chill and cool.
And not by food.
And not by, nope. I heard by the fryer.
Yeah, something like that.
So we have our empanada disc here, and then for those that like making things from scratch, you could buy, you can make it from scratch. Tons of great recipes online, but you know what? I like saving time, so I'm gonna buy some frozen empanadas. We're gonna thaw it, and we're gonna start with this. So we place this flat. We're gonna use our spoon and put about 3 spoonfuls in the center.
Okay.
And we wanna leave a round edge without any of that picadillo.
Okay.
Can you smell this?
Oh my gosh, the cumin smells great, the garlic, it's so good.
And then we're gonna, so perfect, sure. So then, we're gonna
I did it exactly like you, it's like a mirror image, what's wrong?
Then we're gonna fold halfway like this.
Yeah?
And we're gonna press down on the edges. And make sure that picadillo is not on the board. Look at that looks amazing.
Right?
So next thing, you could use an empanada press, but I like using what my mom taught me as a child, and it's called the fork it method. We're gonna fork it.
This my mom taught me this as well.
Yeah, but not fork it like this, fork it like this.
It's different.
Oh wait, you're stabbing it, no, fork it down.
Okay, fork it.
So we're gonna...
Wait, stop yelling, I'm trying to focus on Chef.
We're gonna press down like this.
Like this?
Yeah, I would go help you, but you're like a mile away.
No, help me, I got it. Look at that, beautiful design.
It leaves a beautiful design. It closes it up.
What's your mom's name?
Antonia.
Antonia, thank you for this signature move.
Yes, she taught me this since I was a child. This is empanada, something you make as a... Thank you. Empanada is something you make as a family. So this is what we would do at our family restaurant. So you make a few of these, and then it's time to fry them until golden brown.
Oh, yes. Nice. And they're crunchy.
We end up with this beautiful, crunchy empanada. Here you go.
That's the perfect color and crunch, right? And look at the little bubbles on top.
Oh my God, it gives it a perfect texture. But you need to share that because I want to try it too.
No.
I think
you can. There you go. Make your own.
And if you want to do something healthier, you could oven bake them. If you're into the air fryer, you could air fry it. I like carbs, calories, and fats. So this is it right here.
Take a look at the inside. So Kelly's going to do a sweet one, a sweet version?
Oh my, those are my favorite. Guava and cream cheese empanadas.
That's coming up right after this. It's National Empanada Day, guys. Celebrate, why don't you? So go for it.
We are back with Chef Chris Valdes. This is the kind of empanada I can get behind. This is a sweet empanada.
A sweet empanada, and it's perfect for your diet routine. Guava and cream cheese empanada. Only 3 ingredients.
This is health food.
Yes, sure. So we're gonna start with our thawed out empanada wrap, and then we're gonna add a little wedge of guava paste. And in Miami, we put guava in everything.
As you should.
As you should.
Guava is the great superfood of our time.
Yes. And then we're gonna put an equal amount of the cream cheese. So we have that perfect balance of creamy, sweetness, and all of that magic happening in your palate.
Heaven, heaven,
so
heaven.
once again, we're gonna close it halfway. Does Mark make some empanadas for you?
He does not, no.
He does not.
But in his defense, we're living in separate countries right now. But I will make these for him when he returns, and he will be very happy.
And
by
you
the
know
way.
what I like about these is that you can make them ahead of time and freeze them. So when you guys are ready, you just fry them or bake them, and bam, it's ready.
Can you freeze the savory ones as well?
You can freeze, yes. And by the way, we made picadillo ones, but you can make shredded beef ones. You can make vegan ones. I use that same picadillo recipe to make a vegetarian one.
But if you're going to make an empanada, you go for it, right?
You go for it. You go and you make it for the whole family.
Can I taste this?
Yes,
I
let's
just
try
want to
that.
get to the. I want to get to it.
Look at this, but I need to add a little powdered sugar
Oh my
because
God.
more is more.
More is more. Oh, yes. More is more. Look
More is more.
And do you put honey on top?
You can put some honey on top. You know, I'm going to eat it just like this because this is the way to go.
Okay. You doing it?
Empanada cheer.
Cheers. Cheers. Heaven. It's heavenly. If you want to celebrate National Empanada Day, and we all do, go to kellyandryan.com for these recipes. Be sure to pick up a copy of Chris's book, One with the Kitchen, everywhere books are sold. This is undignified, and I apologize.
It's so good. It's okay.
Delicious. Delicious. Chris Valdes, everybody. Coming up next, our good news story of the day. Oh, my God.
If you would like to try any of today's empanada recipes, just log on to our website at kellyandryan.com.